Just going to do a little unbox video of this ROCKSTAR expansion tank for the Subaru. It's a Mishimoto part. It's boxed quite well actually, to be honest. As you can see, we've not opened it yet, so let's see what it looks like. It looks well packaged actually. You can see that. Move that out of the way. Silver bag. This is supposed to hold 50% more fluid, I believe, and it is TIG welded as well. That looks quite nice actually. It's more of like a matte finish. It's very light, very light. There's a serial number on the back of it and warranty. I'll be making another video of when I install this. The cap does look nice. If you can see it on there, it tells you it holds 19 pounds. The pressure, I think it's about 18 psi or so. Is it a metal cap? If I can get the thing off. Ah, there we go. Just got to push it down a bit more. Yeah, it's a spring as well, unlike the original normal ones, you just twist them. I think it is metal. I think, yeah. It's quite nice actually. Just a little quick video anyway. If anyone's gonna go ahead, they say it is a limited edition part. And it says it on the box, I believe. Yeah, it's aluminium and it's TIG welded.